Maledetto giù momento che grappivo l'occhio in terra da sto perno.
Under the merciless sun of Sicily, a voice rose, rough, burning, untamed, a woman's voice born from dust and poverty, who dared to sing where so many had stayed silent. Her name was Rosa Ballastr, and when she opened her mouth, it was all of Sicily that spoke through her. In her songs, pain caught fire. Every word carried the accent of Agrigento's alleys. Every cry made the stones of the churches tremble. She did not sing to please. She sang to survive, to exorcise centuries of silence and shame imposed upon her people. Her melodies had the harshness of the fields, the purity of tears, the nobility of scars. Rosa was Sicily laid bare, proud and wounded, loving and defiant. In Mi votu e mi rivotu, she did not merely hum a tune, she unleashed the cry of her ancestors, the blood running through the island's veins. That song, later heard in The Godfather, echoed like an ancient prayer, the prayer of a people betrayed yet unbroken. Her voice was the wind over the hills, the sea against the cliffs, the anger of mothers and the tenderness of orphans. She carried within her the pride of the poor, the dignity of the humiliated, the strength of women whom life had tried to break, and who rose again. She turned suffering into art, and art into a weapon. Rosa did not only sing about Sicily, she gave it life again. Where the words of poets were trapped in books, her voice crossed squares, homes, and prisons. She gave the humble the right to exist. Her songs did not ask for anything. They demanded remembrance. She told her people, look at yourselves, love yourselves even through the wound, and when death came to claim her, it could take nothing back. For a voice like hers cannot die. It remains in the stones heated by the sun, in the cry of the seagulls, in the silence of summer nights. Every time a Sicilian closes their eyes to listen to the wind, it is her they hear. It is she who watches over them. Even now, when her voice echoes, all of Sicily remembers her, not merely as a singer, but as a sacred breath, a flame that will never fade. Rosa Ballastr was not only a woman, she was the conscience of a land. And that conscience no one will ever silence.
E chiangi chiaro